Before learning how to solve Megaminx, you should learn how to solve the 3x3 first, and that'll be in the description. So your first part of solving the Megaminx is the star. And so the reason why you want to learn how to do 3x3 first is because the star is actually really similar to how you do the cross on the 3x3. So learning how to solve 3x3 will actually help you with a lot of these steps on the Megaminx. Doing the star on the Megaminx is the exact same as doing the cross on the 3x3. So it's pretty intuitive, but I'll go through it once so you understand what it looks like. So I'm going to take this yellow. I'm going to put it here, one of the edges. I'm going to take this blue white. I'm doing white for this tutorial. Put it in here, and then red kind of slide right in. Then white and dark green. You can kind of insert the same way. There's multiple layers, so if like purple and white, so if it's like on the top or like one of the top layers here, or bottom, depending on how you hold the star, you kind of bring it down, and now you can treat this as if it was on like the top of like a 3x3. So I can bring it to the side and insert it. And yeah, it's a star. Step can't really be explained too well because it's intuitive. I'll do one more example. So I got my yellow white that's already in the top layer. This is pretty easy. White and dark green, blue and white, or dark blue and white. I'm going to put it actually in one of the bottom layers. I'm going to hold my star facing down. I'm going to find, where's the center? Bring it to the top here. And then I can kind of move these out of the way, unalign them, and then bring them back. And I got red, white. Pretty easy to insert. And kind of same thing for purple. Pretty easy to insert.